Hey, what's up guys? So today I have my light mod for the GoPro 10. So you can either put it here or you can put it here. It's up to you where you want to put it. It just came in. So excited. Let's get it open. Okay, so I was having a little trouble with a little bit lighting, so I decided to get this. So it's waterproof, 33 feet, and it's rechargeable, the best thing about it. So you can see you can put it in different things that holds the light itself. Okay. So let's get it open. That's open. Here's your charging cable. You have the shoe. You have a light diffuser, and you have the LED. So look at that. 10 LED. Open it up. Will you charge it? Power button. Have to charge. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you have basically 4 settings. This is 1. It gets a little brighter. A little brighter. And then you have the flashing. Okay, so turn off the light, show you how much it brights up the room. Okay, so your first setting will be basically like that. Okay, one more time. That's low, which it does bright up pretty good. That is a little higher. You can see more of the room. This is extreme, super high. And this is the flash. Okay, now, if you put the diffuser, okay, that is low, that is medium, that is high, and that is flash. Awesome. I needed the light, and now I finally got it. So let's see how it looks on the camera. So you got your GoPro. Go slide it in here so it connects just like that. Or connect it like that. Very nice. Very excited to use it. Hopefully the videos come out much better. Very nice. So I will start doing the videos with it. We'll get it charged up, and that is the light mod. Awesome. Recommend it.